Researchers have trained computer models to identify an individual's personality traits more accurately than their friends can. Based exclusively on what Facebook posts the individual had liked. Wu, Kaczynski and Stilwell 2015. High-end cybersecurity. Hardly a day passes without a news story about a high-profile data breach or a cyber attack costing millions of dollars in damages. Cyber losses are difficult to estimate, but the International Monetary Fund places them in the range of $10 to $50 billion annually for the global financial sector. Lagarde 2012. Furthermore, with the ever-growing pervasiveness of computers, mobile devices, servers and smart devices, the aggregate threat exposure grows each day. While the business and policy communities are still struggling to wrap their heads around the cyber realm's newfound importance, the application of AI to cybersecurity is heralding even greater changes. One of the essential purposes of AI is to automate tasks that previously would have required human intelligence, cutting down on the labor resources an organization must employ to complete a project, or the time an individual must devote to routine tasks, enables tremendous gains in efficiency. For instance, chatbots can be used to field customer service questions, and medical assistant AI can be used to diagnose diseases based on patients' symptoms. In a simplified model of how AI could be applied to cyber defense, log lines of recorded activity from servers and network components can be labeled as hostile or non-hostile, and an AI system can be trained using this data set to classify future observations into one of those two classes. The system can then act as an automated sentinel, singling out unusual observations from the vast background noise of normal activity. This kind of automated cyber defense is necessary to deal with the overwhelming level of activity that must now be monitored. We have passed a level of complexity at which defense and identification of hostile actors can be performed without the use of AI. Going forward, only systems that apply AI to the task will be able to deal with the complexity and speed found in the cybersecurity environment. Continuously retraining such AI models is essential, since just as AI is used to prevent attacks, hostile actors of all types are also using AI to recognize patterns and identify the weak points of their potential targets. The state of play is a battlefield where each side is continually probing the other and devising new defenses or new forms of attack, and this battlefield is changing by the minute.